Hi, and welcome to an introduction and overview of the online web and mobile edition of SIMLAB Stages product. Stages is available at sim-stages.com. On the landing page at sim-stages.com, you will find tutorials and videos. You are also able to download both the Windows and Mac OS desktop applications there. On the upper right corner of the page, when you click the login button, you will be presented a place to enter your login credentials if you have previously registered. I'm already registered, so I just input my email address and password. Stages opens to a page that lists all projects that either I have set up or I've been invited to as a collaborator. Note that the projects I have access to are the exact same set of projects available in the desktop versions of Stages. Web version, mobile version, and standalone desktop versions all use the same data, regardless of which version you are currently using. Anything you do in one version is immediately available in all versions for you and any other collaborators. Here you can see that you can search for a project. Click the plus sign at the bottom to add a new project, or simply click on an existing project to open it. Once you open a project, you'll see the screen has three buttons across the top. The default is to load the first stage created. The info button selected shows you the vital info and description of the selected stage, including an aggregate count for notes and issues and their particular statuses for that stage. Currently, the web and mobile editions support the Matterport 360 Showcase components. Clicking the Stages stack icon on the left will open the list of stages in your selected project. To close the list of stages on the left, click the arrow at the top of the list to hide it. Clicking the Notes button will list all notes of the selected stage, along with tools to access or modify these notes or add a new one. You are able to click on the location icon of any note. In the list, you will currently only be taken to the note location if it exists in a Matterport 360 component. The other icons are grayed out for now. In the web and mobile edition, there are two ways that allow you to switch to any stage. Either by exposing the list, as we've talked about, on the stacked stages icon in the upper left, or exposing the stages timeline feature. Unique to stages, navigating through stages or through the timeline, your location and angle of viewpoint will remain the same at each interval. Note that currently, if a stage does not contain a Matterport 360 component, you'll be able to select the stage, although there's no actual component to be displayed. Rather, a message will remind you that this particular stage does not have a Matterport 360 component. As we navigate through the scan, we can see all note icons in their respective locations. We can open the note, we can add comments or content, we can update the status, we can even change the icon location. If you want to add a new note or issue, click the plus sign in the lower corner and a new note issue will be created for you to add location, add other information, attach photos, files, audio, video as you want, and you can even assign a stakeholder. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Check out the rest of the series.